YouTube, I'm back with another video today, and this is actually something I started ages ago but only ever did one video, which is the Poundland specials, which I'm going to get back to, which is saving yourself some money on stuff, whether it be phone cases, cables, generally phone cases and cables, but just saving your money on it and not getting ripped off. But sometimes I get some really good quality stuff in, and this is from Poundland actually, and it's Belkin HDMI to DVI cable, 3.6 metre, so go in there and check it out, because these cables from Belkin should be about 12 quid, you can get them cheaper than that. Belkin do make good cables, just don't buy them at full wax, they're too expensive. But this is what I found there today. I also got last week, which I didn't do a video for, which I should have, but I was still making this beautiful, beautiful desk. I got a 5 metre phono to mini jack cable as well from Belkin for £1. So get yourself down there. This one's from Poundland, Belkin cables. Save yourself some money. See you later.